Welcome, in front of me is DELL G15, and in this video I will show you how to use split screen features on this laptop. So in order to use split screen you'll have to open at least two applications, two windows at the same time. Now grab one of them by the top bar and drag it over to the top, and then select a placement for your window. You can, as you can see, you can place up to 4 windows on your device's display. So for example, let's put it right here, and then click on the browser in my case to put it on a different, on the other part of the display. And as you can see right now, I can use both applications at the same time. I can also adjust the size of each window by dragging this bar between them. You can also put another application right here. For example, let's place 3 applications at the same time. And as you can see right now, I can use 3 windows exactly at the same time. And I can also adjust the size of each one of them. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.